Namaskar. Hello to the one who is watching this video. In this video, I will be showcasing one item from my collection. So let's start. This is a 19th century copper coin belonging to the East India Company's era. This coin was minted in the year 1835, the year in which first British Indian rupee was struck. The denomination of this coin is 1/4 anna. There are two languages embossed on it, Persian and English. Surrounding the wreath, there is a lettering East India Company. At the back of it, there is a coat of arms of East India Company, which in this case has worn out. But still you can see two lions, St. George's cross on the crest. And at the bottom, the year 1835 is mentioned, the year in which this coin was minted. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching it.